I'm a principal in Southwestern Pennsylvania looking for arts-based PD for my teachers. So I've come to swpa.artlookmap.com. First, I select partners in the drop-down menu and use the advanced filters to narrow my search. I'm looking for professional development with a focus on culturally responsive approach and social emotional learning. Once I get my search results, I have some options. I can click the Contact Partner button to initiate an email conversation about my professional development needs. I can click on a partner to learn more about their organization and programs. I can also export my search results as a spreadsheet and follow up with folks when I'm ready. How will you use ArtLook SWPA to find an arts partner today?